What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Condenser back with another video. Today is today. We know we got the Dallas trip coming up pretty soon, so I need to do a few things in my truck to get it ready for Dallas. Which I need a condenser put on so I can have AC. Can't ride all the way to Dallas without AC. Can't do it. So today we got a couple parts in. Well, we got the condenser in already. Just came in today, so here it is. Order from Rock out of. We got a condenser order from Rock out of, and also we got a oil filter because I'm gonna change the oil as well. So basically today, I'm gonna be making a video on how to change the condenser on a Ford F350 Super Duty. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so from the looks to me, all I got is this 8mm, that 8mm, and these 13s, I think. So I'm not sure, but I'll probably get down on the bottom and make sure. But I'm gonna start off with taking these two 8mm off right here. Down here. Not sure. Hang on. Okay. Not sure if you guys can see it, but there's one right there, and then there's one right there on this side. One up there. $20. So, we'll get those two off, and then you should be able to get right out. Same kind holders. That was at the bottom. Both of them at the bottom. So it should be. should be dry, specific mainly because I think it punctured a hole in it somewhere. Not sure where, but so it really shouldn't be nothing, no Freon in there. I know it ain't because it was. I got one line off already. It's dry in there. Nothing in there, so let's pull this one. Let's get this other line off. Also, if any of my subscribers stay in Dallas and y'all know where a front bumper is for my truck, drop in the comment section, let me know. As soon as I get to Dallas, I'm gonna be looking for me a front bumper for my truck. So, and I need one. So, y'all let me know what one is so I can go buy it. So I had to go to the show, looking out raggedy like this. You know, looking out raggedy. All right, y'all, we out of there. Just that easy. So let's get this new one in and let's get this AC back working. New one going in, y'all. Look better already though. Better already. Oh shit. What's wrong?
It's in Fraser.
Okay.
You stay right there off you know where Overton Crossing meet Fraser Boulevard?
Yeah.
It's her house. It's over here to Midtown to meet.
Okay. What time? Because you know I gotta work today, so.
What time you gotta go to work?
6.
We can do it whenever, cuz. I just gotta let them know I'm coming to get them motherfuckers.
You let me know when you want to do it. Whenever you want to do it, you let me know.
How long is it gonna take?
I should be finished in a minute.
Alright, say no more. We can do this now. Well, as soon as you can do it, just call me. I'm gonna pick up me some weed and shit, and I'll get you a couple dollars for gas and shit.
Alright.
And then we'll be ready to roll.
Okay.
How the wedding coming, cuz? When you doing your best party?
Bro, it's going good. Everything going good, but I don't know when. You know, I gotta let y'all know when.
Yeah, you know you got to do this shit. The secret. She gonna go hey. I can't wait to get married, cuz. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I was just telling TJ that shit the other day.
You said what?
Taking my practice.
What practice?
My practice, cuz, you know, the certification test to teach.
Oh, okay. You about to be in now.
Yeah, you know, West will quit, cuz, like end of February.
Alright, guys, we're basically going back together now. I mean, she pretty much done. So, next, all there is to do is to vacuum the line down. Vacuum the line down. and I can shoot Freon in it. So in a nutshell, that's how you change a AC condenser on the 2004 F350. Nothing hard about it. So it's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video. I'll get back at y'all with another video probably in a couple days. Peace.